Welcome to Design Inspiration, where living spaces are not only beautiful but also know how to breathe with you. Today, let's explore a poetic idea, a bathroom opening onto a private garden, where nature becomes the only wall, and privacy touches freedom. A bathroom opening onto a private garden, among nature, for yourself. No longer confined by four discrete, separating walls, today's bathroom can become a private sky, where you can fully immerse yourself in nature, while keeping the feeling of privacy and relaxation intact. With an open design leading to a private garden, the space is created with an independent yet connected spirit. Bathtub. The bathtub is placed right next to sliding glass doors, where every soak is a moment to gaze directly into the lush, poetic garden. Herb green plants are purposefully arranged, creating a tranquil landscape while subtly shielding like a natural curtain. Wood materials like raw wood, natural stone, and clear glass are skillfully combined to blur the lines between inside and outside, between architecture and nature. This is not just a beautiful design, but a living experience, where you rediscover stillness in a busy life and savor each moment truly belonging to yourself. Light and air, when nature becomes part of the experience. A bathroom opening onto a garden is not only an architectural extension, but a new way of living with nature, and living more slowly. Natural light is the first gift you receive from that garden. When the sliding door opens, the gentle morning sun filters through the foliage, blending with the cool breeze and the faint scent of grass and trees, awakening every sense gently and poetically. This is not just light to see by, but light to feel, so you can sense yourself breathing with the earth and sky in your most private space. And when night falls, the soft yellow light spills through the glass, blending with the moonlight in the garden, creating a calm, warm, and profound meditative atmosphere. An evening soak in the bathtub, listening to the gentle rustle of leaves outside, is all you need to recover, slow down, and return to yourself. A private experience, yet free. An open space does not mean sacrificing privacy. In the design of a bathroom opening onto a garden, the sense of safety and privacy remains intact, but in a softer, more refined way, closer to nature. The garden space is designed as an enclosed green oasis within modern architecture. Surrounding the bathroom are layers of greenery, low layers of grass and pebbles, middle layers of dense shrubs, upper layers of wide-spreading foliage like natural curtains. Each layer not only adds depth to the landscape but also acts as a living wall that protects privacy without the need for rigid bricks or concrete. Large glass doors are frosted at the bottom or can be combined with flexible roller blinds, allowing you to adjust the openness depending on the time of day, your mood, or personal needs. Everything is calculated so you can comfortably enjoy private moments, without feeling confined. And within that combination, of nature and architecture, of light and air, of openness and protection, you will find a unique, refined experience like no other. Imagine, you soak in a warm bathtub, soft sunlight filters through the canopy, the leaves rustle gently in the wind, the scent of jasmine drifts by, and a cool breeze brushes your skin. No car horns, no city lights, only you, nature. And moments touching pure relaxation. It is not just a bathroom, but a personal spa with a Zen spirit, where you can be your truest, freest self. Opening up a new way of living. A bathroom opening onto a private garden is not just a design choice, but a declaration of living. It is how you tell the world that you deserve a truly private, fresh place to slow your breath, to hear yourself more clearly, and to restore your energy in the most natural way. Amid the modern rush, we sometimes forget the value of stillness. But with just a doorway opening to nature, a small garden corner, a gentle ray of sunlight streaming into a cozy space, you will see all the pressures out there seem to fade away. If you are looking for such a space, where design serves emotion, where every private moment becomes sacred and memorable, then don't forget to follow Design Inspiration. We are always here to bring you living ideas with depth, close to nature, and rich in healing spirit.